Hey guys, today we are making healthy red velvet brownies. They have a fudgy almond butter brownie base and a creamy Greek yogurt cheesecake on top that makes this dessert protein packed. Please like and subscribe as this will help the channel out a lot. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 8x4 loaf pan with parchment paper. My pan is a little too big, but it will work out just fine. We are making our cheesecake layer first, so in a blender add in room temperature Greek yogurt. Any fat percentage works. Next, add in room temperature full fat cream cheese. Blend this up until smooth. It is important to use room temperature ingredients, otherwise they won't blend smoothly. Add in your sugar. You can also use any other sweetener of choice such as monk fruit. Blend that up until nicely smooth. Add in your room temperature egg and blend until combined. Add in flour to give the cheesecake structure. I won't suggest using whole wheat, but you could use white whole wheat or all-purpose flour. Add in vanilla extract for flavor and give it one final blend until smooth. Transfer your cheesecake batter to a small bowl and set aside for later while we make the brownie. In a medium bowl, add in your almond butter. You could also use any other nut or seed butter. Next, add in chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate, so if you use milk or dark chocolate, you may have to adjust the amount of sugar. Melt this in the microwave or over a double boiler until smooth. While the mixture is cooling, measure out your white whole wheat flour. Regular whole wheat flour will also work in this recipe. Add in a pinch of baking powder for some lift. Mix together until well combined so there are no lumps in your batter. Back to your chocolate mixture, which should be cooled by now. Add in your sugar or sweetener of choice. Mix together vigorously. Add in vanilla extract for flavor and salt to balance out the sweetness. Add in some vinegar. This gives a slight tang and creates that classic red velvet flavor. Crack in one egg and mix together vigorously so the sugar almost dissolves into the mixture. Red velvet isn't just chocolate flavored. It has a hint of vanilla and has a slight tang, and paired with cream cheese is a perfect combination. Add in your red food coloring until the desired color. You could also use a natural food coloring, but the color may not be as bright. Now add in your dry ingredients from earlier and mix until combined. Just look at that beautiful red color. Pour this into your prepared pan. My pan was a little too big, so I had to spread the batter out thinly. Just make sure your batter is evenly spread out. Get your cheesecake batter from earlier and give it a mix. Pour this over the brownie batter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes or until the cheesecake is set. Cool completely, then place in the fridge overnight before cutting. These red velvet cheesecake brownies are so good. They have a soft, fudgy red velvet brownie and a creamy, tangy cheesecake on top that pairs perfectly. You have to run to your kitchen and make them now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, which are located in the description box below, along with the full recipe and all the measurements. Thanks for watching!